Hi everyone, welcome to another video on Whizlabs product. In today's video, we will be learning about the projects. Let's see what projects is all about. But as you have heard the name project, it involves working with multiple AWS services. You get a chance to showcase these projects on your resume. You learn about these services in depth as you build the project, it will boost your confidence. You collaborate with people if you're working on, some big projects. And then if you are doing some personalized project, then you can customize them with your creativity. But overall, it's fun building and exciting to learn something new. Okay. So let's see how to access the projects on Whizlabs portal. You can first log in and land on this homepage. After that, just go to dashboard. Once you have clicked on the dashboard, make sure to click on my courses. And then here on the top, you will be able to see the hands-on lab section. Okay. On the hands-on labs, just click on get started. Now here, as you know, all the labs are already present that you have subscribed. Here we will be filtering with the type of project. Okay. So just click on type project, and maybe if you have some customizations, more filters to apply, for example, you just want to see the AWS projects, then select the AWS. Okay. And depending on the type of cloud provider or the product you are learning for, just click on that as a category. If you also have some more customizations, for example, you want to pursue for some certifications, you are looking for some role based, or you are looking for some level like fundamental, intermediate, and advanced, then you can choose them. Okay. Currently, there are 11 projects on AWS, but overall there are 13 projects. So, Whizlabs is building this new set of projects which will be releasing soon. But we have some of them. Let's see what exactly this project is all about. Okay. So now if I open this in a new tab, here you will be able to see that this project is all about creating a to-do app with Flutter using Amplify data store to store and retrieve data in a cloud database. Okay. So quite a few AWS services will be used. This is a 3 hour project, so you can take your own time or to debug and build your stuff. Okay. But here, as you can see, we'll be using the services like Amplify data store, AWS AppSync, AWS Amplify, Amazon DynamoDB. Okay, and there are some more configurations and settings that are happening. So yeah, this is like all project is all about. Currently, this is for two certifications like AWS Certified Developer Associate and AWS Certified DevOps Professional. Okay, and anyone who wants to learn Amplify as backend for Flutter mobile application, this project is for them. If you see here, what are the prerequisites? You should know a bit about AWS Amplify. You should have a basic knowledge of Flutter. You need a laptop or desktop to perform this project with some good internet connection. Some of the prerequisites that are provided, like you should have Node.js, NPM, Git, Flutter, Visual Studio Code already being present in your local machine. And now if you see, there are a list of tasks that you will be performing, and then you have a launching a project environment. So launching a project environment is pretty much similar to how you launch your hands-on labs. Just acknowledge this terms and condition and click on start project. Okay. This will take some time, like 10 to 15 seconds for a new environment to launch because it is creating some stuff in the backend. Okay, it is being launched. It took almost 15 seconds. Project is now started. And if you see here, you get an option to directly access the AWS console and just copy the username from here and paste it on this page, and then copy the password and paste it here again. Cool. And then you can start doing the project. So you need a CLI to install this packages and then start with some things on AWS console. You get a complete number of steps that you need to do to perform the step. Also, the time is given like 3 hours, but in case you need more time, you can just create a 15-minute grace period like this. Click on plus icon and you will be given a 15-minute of grace period. So let me just click here. But one of the things that you should note is you should be a premium plus customer to get the access to the projects. Okay? Otherwise, it will not be accessible to you. So as I have explained, there are pretty good number of projects that are present, ranging from fundamental, intermediate, and advanced level. And I can't wait for you to try the projects in the upcoming sessions. Thank you.